Welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into one of the most breathtaking and mysterious places on Earth, the Amazon rainforest. From its incredible wildlife to its hidden secrets, join us as we explore the wonders of this vast jungle. From the stealthy jaguar to the slow-moving sloth, the Amazon shelters some of the most incredible creatures found nowhere else on the planet. But the Amazon isn't just about nature, it's also home to over 400 indigenous tribes, each with their own languages, traditions, and deep knowledge of the land. Yet, this paradise faces a growing threat. Deforestation and climate change are endangering the jungle's fragile balance. Protecting the Amazon means protecting our planet's future. A world of wonder, mystery, and life, the Amazon remains one of Earth's greatest treasures. What part of this jungle fascinates you the most?